Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Cool. So, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
In Korea, breakfast is similar to lunch or dinner. We often have rice, stew, and some side dishes like kimchi or vegetables. Personally, I like a warm bowl of soybean paste stew with rice in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nice. What do you usually have for breakfast?
Well, in Nigeria, breakfast can be pretty hearty. Sometimes I eat akara, which are fried black-eyed bean cakes. With bread or pap. Pap is like a smooth porridge, made from corn. It really fills you up in the morning.
Hello, where are you from?
I'm from France.
Great. What do you usually have for breakfast?
In France, we usually keep breakfast simple. I normally have a croissant. Or a piece of baguette. With butter and jam, and of course, coffee. For us, breakfast is light, but delicious.
Hi there. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Awesome. And what do you usually have for breakfast?
Well, it depends. On weekdays, I usually just grab cereal or toast. But on weekends, we love a bigger breakfast. Like pancakes with maple syrup. Eggs and bacon. Maple syrup is kind of a Canadian classic.
Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
Nice. What do you usually have for breakfast?
In Colombia we have many choices. A typical breakfast is arepas. Corn cakes that we eat with cheese or eggs. I usually drink hot chocolate or coffee with it. Sometimes we dip cheese into the hot chocolate. It sounds strange, but it's delicious.
Wow, that was so interesting. Breakfast really looks different around the world. Which one would you like to try? Tell us in the comments. Also, share where you're from and what you usually have for breakfast.